In front of me is Redmi A5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now, if you have suggestion strip enabled at the top of it, you can click on this gear over here. Then tap on text correction right away and scroll down to use this switcher next to autocorrection. This way you can turn it off or on. If you don't have this strip though, you need to go into settings. Scroll all the way down to tap on system. Select keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and Gboard. Then click on text correction as well and scroll down to use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!